Hi parents, this is Mr. Smith here at school today, and today our second graders are learning how to sign into their computers using an app called Clever. For you to access this at home, you'll need to go to your web browser and type in clever.com/in/Python. And that will take you to our Student Clever login page. And there's two ways that students can log into Clever. One is with their school email account. The other one is with the Clever Badge login. And to access the Clever Badge login, you click that button, and that'll turn on your camera. Then you hold their Clever Badge up to the screen. Logs it in. What this program does is it signs them in to every platform they'll use at school. As you can see, here's Mrs. Boren's page, Mrs. Fessler's page, and Mrs. Weese's second grade page. Down at the bottom, there's some more apps that we'll use a lot. One of those is called Seesaw. Look for videos later on that. Connect Ed is math, and Amira is a reading tutoring program. So as we get going through the school year, please look for Clever information to come home. And you now have the website, so when that information comes home, your student will be able to log on. Thanks.